kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we have a new video. And I want to say a very big thank you to our subscribers. Thanks for always stopping by. We really appreciate you guys. So without taking much of your time, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make super whitening half cast face cream. This face cream whitens the face up to 4 shades. It takes off pigmentation, it takes off blemishes, sunburn, dullness. It gives the face this youthful glow. So let me not take much of your time. Let's proceed. So this is all the items we are going to be using. First of all, we are going to spray this with alcohol to kill any bacteria that might have been present. So this is the first phase. So that is all we have to do. You just need to spray this and you keep it to dry. Once it dries, then you can start with whatsoever you are making. Like I was saying, this face cream gives 4 shades straight. It takes off pimples, it takes off sunburn, it takes off white patches, and it doesn't give white patches at all because of all the things that we are adding into this facial cream. It will whiten the face. Please, if you don't want to whiten up, I don't advise you to use this face cream. And if you're from a list that you are selling products, for those that just want a youthful glow, please don't sell this face cream to them. Don't recommend it to them because it's going to whiten their face so much. So please, it's strictly for whitening. As for sunburn, you can just apply it on those affected areas at night, and once it's been off, you discontinue the usage. Then if you are treating sunburn, always go out with your SPF, minimum SPF 30. It's good, you are good to go. Then for those that are suffering from discoloration, get a nice cleanser and use alongside. For those that are treating patches on the face, you don't just need to get any other thing alongside. This face cream alone is going to take off those blemishes, those patches, those discoloration on the face. It's a face cream that you can't miss. It's something that must not be missing among your skincare routine. And you can use this face cream 3 times in a week. Every other day you can just use a moisturizing face cream. If you know you have a sensitive skin, please use this only at night. Don't use it during the day. So that's all. Let's start with our mixing. So guys, the next phase of this mix is that we are going to look at all the ingredients we are using. We have the base, the Snow White base here. Then we have our quick clear face cream. For those that have pimples and acne, we are going to add this to help eradicate those pimples. Then we have here ox oil. Ox oil actually helps to calm down facial redness. It helps to calm down inflammatory. It helps to whiten the face. It helps to repair. We have here body repair oil. For those that are suffering from sunburn, this is going to help. Then we have here kojic dipalmatic powder, and we are going to dissolve that with this solution. Then we have here sodium hydronate, that is hyaluronic acid. Then we have here Dr. Klear. This Dr. Klear actually helps for pimples, it helps for ringworms, it helps for white patches. So that's why we are adding that. Then if you watch my last video, I talk about this YC whitening milk that I normally add it to my face cream. Yes, I had this because it's going to make the face to look so glowing, so classy. So that's why I'm adding this. Then I also have here Feah beauty cream, Feah whitening beauty cream. Then I have here G-derm antibacterial, antifungal. I have here 7+7. This is a strong whitening tube that also prevents discoloration and patches. Then I have here Glutathione chap. Among the Glutathione tube, I love this, as the name sounds, chap. It works chap. So is that all? Not really. Okay, we have here miracle powder that we are going to add. We have here tea tree oil. We have here a strong whitening concentrate. So that's how we are going to start. So for the first step, we are going to dissolve our kojic dipalmitic powder with the solution and set it aside. Like I always say, this kojic dipalmitic powder is not water soluble, it's oil soluble. So that's for our kojic dip. Please kindly ignore the background noise, please. There is a church program going on around here, so please, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. So we're still gonna add a bit of it. I love dissolving my powders before I do other things, so it's gonna mix properly before I take it to the final stage. So that's all. Then we bring back our lotion here. We are going to add this quick klear. We are not adding all, we are going to add half of it. We stir properly. Then for this glutathione sharp tube, now what we are going to do, we are going to mix all our tube together in one place. 1 teaspoon of this, one teaspoon of this, one teaspoon of G-derm. G-derm is very good for anti-reaction. It's a triple cream. Then we have here Feah. Feah actually helps to calm down the harshness of any products. It's also helps to whiten up the face. So that's all the tubes we have. So that's all. Then for our liquids, we are going to mix our liquids. For this whitening milk, you can add it to your facial wash. You can apply it to your face like that. You are still going to get the same benefits. I love the outcome anytime I use it in my production. Then we are going to add this Dr. Klear selsun for anti-reaction, for patches, for prevention of patches, and for have the patches. Going to help. Please, when getting your Dr. Klear, you have to be mindful. There's a lot of Dr. Klear out there. Make sure you get the one that is written typical treatment for dandruff, eczema, white patches. That is the description. So we are going to use this body repair. We are going to use 2 drops. We stir it also. Then we are going to use half tablespoon of our strong whitening concentrate. So we are almost done with this. Then we are going to add our sodium hydronate. It's a very thick formula. This is how it looks. So this is how this solution looks like. It's very thick. You can even make this mix and just keep it, and you can be adding it to your formulation, especially your body cream and your facial cream. It has incorporates. Then what we are going to add next is our tea tree oil. 5 drops of tea tree oils. Then we have here miracle powder. This miracle powder has blocked, so I use warm water to dissolve it. So we are going to bring here and mix everything together. My best whitening facial cream for this year 2021. The face cream that does it all. The face cream that treats all skin issues. I don't joke with this anyway. I love the outcome. I love the review I'm getting from this. It's my best selling. For those of my clients that have been buying from me, they know what this does. So remember, you can get your materials from us. You can decide to get the one we've already made and use. You can get the raw materials, make it by yourself. Just make sure you follow all the procedures on this video. So like I was saying, if you don't want to whiten up like 4 shades, don't try using this. Please don't try using this, because it's going to whiten your face so much to the extent that you like, oh my god. So this is the last thing we are going to put. This is Skin Doctor Whitening Ampoules. So we're just going to blend this so you see how it looks after blending. So now we are going to add our kojic dipalmitic powder that we have melted. Kojic dipalmitic powder is the best powder you can choose when making a facial product, because it's whitening up the face, it clears blemishes, and the pH level is very balanced on the face. It doesn't oxidize in a product like the way kojic acid does. So kojic dipalmitic is very good. You just have to know how to dissolve it, because if you didn't dissolve it very well, it's not going to give you what you expected. So you can add your kojic dipalmitic into any facial item, like I said, like your facial wash, your facial soap, your serums. You just make sure they incorporate very well. So now we are going to stick blend our face cream. Worry about you have gotten the consistency you want, just discontinue and make sure when you are going out, if you are using a whitening product, when you are going out in the sun, always go with SPF, always use the sun. It's very, very necessary. So our face cream is ready. I'm transferring it into the jar. Please, if you know you like this video, you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. I'm gonna leave my number, all my contact details in the description box. So this is the final stage of the video. We are done with our face cream. This is the way it's looking. So nice, so yummy, the face cream that does it all. I got to open this to show you guys how it looks. Yeah, so if you know you like this video, you love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. I'm also going to leave my contacts on the description box. If you have any inquiries, you can reach out to us. All our products are available: skincare materials, raw materials, promix items. All these are available. We are into spa also. Maybe one of these days I'm going to take out my time to create a wonderful spa video to you guys. So have a nice day till we meet again in my next video. Bye.